All right, welcome back to my channel. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on your time zone. We are here again to talk about Maza Akwa. Maza Akwa made a video that somebody called my attention yesterday, and I said, okay, I will check on it. And truly, he said this something, he was actually insulting himself, and I want you to pay close attention and hear what Maza Akwa said. Okay, Maza Akwa is trying to be clever, but he's far away from that, very, very far away. Now hear what Maza Akwa said here.
Just like we know that she is fake and she's working for the enemies, finally, Mazi have discovered and have found out fully that we have always had a mole, and now Mazi has given a standing order to shut down and stop gossip or abuse. Today, it got to Onyedumazi Namikano that about 80 Biafrans, over 80 of them actually, are in DSS custody. Over 80 Biafrans are in DSS custody because of gossip or abuse.
This is the same guy who claimed that Ngozi Arabese and PM are not in contact whatsoever. That Mazi Namikano is also against her, that she's nowhere near what is going on now. That anybody working with her is actually doing that out of mistake. This is the same guy who claimed that DPM can never ever anymore work with the PM. That PM don't want to see her. You know what she normally said. You know her own the way she normally think. The way he normally think. He always believes that he knows everything, whereas he knows nothing. I don't want to run faster. I just want him to say it while we keep on responding to that. But I wanted to know. He first told you in the past that Maza Akwa have said rejected her, PM rejected her. So all of a sudden, in his recent post, Maza Akwa have just decided to. Did he tell you that all this while that Maza Akwa and DPM are in contact? So why are you now announcing that Maza Akwa have finally decided to push her away? So meaning that both of them were together. This guy can lie. And you know what he wants to do? He wants to use this to, push narrative that you are a target. What does that remind you? It reminds you, in case you have forgotten, like me, listen to him now. What comes to my mind is what DOS said during self-referendum. That you voting is you giving your identity to Malami. The lady that she's talking about, I don't know anything about it. But why I know that what he's saying now is a lie. First and foremost, he's not a spokesperson to Mazi Namikano. None of the lawyers have posted anything in that regard. Are you following me? And this guy and Ejimako, or maybe he may be in contact with Ifeanyi Ejiofor, not Ejimako. But I'm just saying, I have never seen him reporting anything direct from Mazi Namikano. So why not? Hear him. Listen.
By the name Rosemary Nduka. Rosemary Nduka was lured into the net of DSS.
Okay.
Rosemary Nduka is a Biafran. You know, all this while we kept warning Biafrans. Stay away from Ngozi Arabese.
Now, hold it there. Rosemary Nduka was lured to DSS by Ngozi Arabese, according to him. Okay. Let me remind you, maybe you don't remember. Do you remember when they normally report account of USB government? And they said at the initial stage, they will tell you, no, if you put money in this account, the DSS will come for you. And every account was always shut down. They will present the account for preference to contribute, Next thing we start hearing is that account has been shut down and the owner of the account has been arrested. That owner of account, listen, that owner of the account is no longer free. That don't go sort of base, they keep on sending people. They are the one reporting the account. What they do is they will send somebody to call in. I am DPM. I want to make my donation. I am now in a Lagos State. I am now in Bayelsa. How can I make my own donation? They will give them Homeland account. Once they give them Homeland account, they will be the first to report that the account has been, pulled down because they are working with Nigeria. That is just the fact. They are the one working. So now Akwa and this guy, MAzi Akwa here, these two people already dealt with Biafrans. I'm telling you the truth. They already committed a lot of things because they were busy shouting, no, Ngozi is giving the Biafrans account. It's exposing Biafrans account. Biafrans don't pay because they want to cut anything about contribution from homeland. That was, then I made a video where I asked them, when PM had meeting with Biafrans in Lagos, in Abuja, in Kano, people do the which account do you guys use? It's not homeland account. But they lied to you that you cannot give account, that the account is a Fulani account. Knowing for a fact that even them as a Minister of Information through bringing under PM, they use also Northern account name, like account that bears Northern name. That's not the fact. They are lying to you, but I'm telling you the truth. They use it. Okay, don't ask me how, because that is what happened. They know, they said no, but they turn around and begin to criticize USB government for using such an account. If you don't know anything, these guys will deceive you full time. Especially this guy. Do you know why I put the picture and this guy? Because both don't have similar character. There's this beat that this guy he's wearing here now. They used to want something like that. He used to wear something like that. He has worn something in resemblance with this one in the past. I will get that picture. I think I will use that picture here on my platform. Hear this guy.
Do not do anything with Ngozi.
That is the assignment.
The minister sent a message from Finland and told us that all the commanders that contacted Ngozi they were trapped by the TSS of Nigeria. And some of the Biafra Liberation Army that were exposed to Ngozi were eliminated by Ngozi's TSS agents. We warn you on this platform.
Then those that are in contact with you, where are they? I'm just asking genuine. I don't need to debate or argue about where they are, what happened. I'm just asking a genuine question. Those of Biafran Liberation Army that were in contact with you, MAzi Akwa, and you that expose everything because it was you that link up success and everything, that scatter everything the way it is now. You brag that about on social media, your video is still out there. What I'm saying is that those of Biafran Liberation Army that were in contact with you, where are they now? Where are they? Last time I checked, Holy Ghost was with you. Where is Holy Ghost? For you to see that these people don't have shame, just like we did it. People that don't think, they don't check about their own, what they have committed or what they are doing. Just muje agitator, without thinking, without reasoning, without weighing what you have committed. Hear him again.
Some of you are so gullible.
Look at it.
You will see that Raphael Chemaka Jerry, Pastor Bam Bam Bam, I remain very steadfast.
Yes, you do. You remain steadfast and consistent in breaking eggs. That is, you remain consistent, very, very steadfast. That even chicken have recognized you. If anybody can bring your picture down to any fowl, any old layers, they will recognize your face because you are dealing with them. The egg that those chickens lay, what they're doing, the egg, they know that they are laying eggs for you to use that for food. Even native fowl, they have all recognized you.
On this very particular issue concerning Ngozi Fulani, I have kept telling Biafrans, avoid this woman. This woman is evil. This woman does not mean well. This woman is satanic. Before this message from Onyen Tumas in Namikan, which I got this evening, that made me to come out online tonight because there's no need for me to start.
There's no message from Oyendu. It's a like, go and check Aloy Ejimako's page. Go and check Kanata Kando's page. Go and check if the one called what is the name of the one in Ghana? Emma Powerful. These are people that are reporting Maza Kandos if there's anything. That's not the fact. Are they saying anything? Especially Aloy Ejimako. Especially Aloy Ejimako. There's nothing like that. If there's any, prove it. Prove it.
Start talking about Ngozi at this stage, the way I am talking tonight. But this is very serious because Mazi Nnamdi Kanu has given his own verdict on Ngozi Aragboeze tonight. The lawyers of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu have now gone to start,
the same thing this criminal said to Mazi Simon Ekpa. He's working inside Simon Ekpa. Even you wait as far as criticizing Simon Ekpa for monetizing his page. If you don't remember who is talking to you, you will be deceived. I'm telling you gospel truth. You will be deceived.
Negotiating for the release of these Biafrans that were arrested because Aragboeze exposed them to DSS. This particular lady, Rosemary Nduka, Aragboeze sent her money. And then how DSS were able to track this woman and went and pick her up with their booking that exchange money with her. DSS picked her up, and now what are they accusing her? They're accusing her that she's collecting money to use it for funding Biafra causes. They arrested this woman. This woman, Rosemary.
No proof, no evidence, nothing whatsoever. And they're good at dishing out, once they lie, you ask them evidence, they will disappear. Come back again, dish out another lie, they will disappear. Present it. You have a platform, ring, advertise that the woman's family are coming with her picture. Because there's no need to hide about her. Present her picture and present her family to claim what you just said. Bring out the details. And it is time for Biafran to start getting close to DPM so that you know who they're talking about. Because if you don't know her, you actually may fall victim of these lies. Do you understand? Do not judge by one person. Always hear from both sides. It is time for you now to start getting closer to DPM to know the kind of person she is. Do not judge by what those who have their own evil agenda and their own differences, because you cannot bring darkness close to light. That darkness will disappear. Most of them possess that spirit of darkness. They are running away from light. After what this guy has said in the past, after what he has done, casting spells on people. Very, 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 very strange human being. And he is there trying to talk about, look, I'm not here to tell you that DPM is angel. Nobody is angel. We are all human beings. But when people capitalize on lies and propaganda, promoting it constantly, hoping that one day it's going to manifest to become true, people are going to buy into that and that will be truth. We are not going to allow it to happen. We will always bring it the way it is without missing any words. All right? I will come back to this video because I think Goku, they are not too much. So we can now calm down, listen to him bit by bit, and do justice to that. Please like the video and let me know what you think about it. But anytime you see this kind of propaganda and lies, debunk it, because our people need the truth. That's what the fact, they need the truth. So if you have any question about what's going on, they can label anything. I just remind you of what they did to Biafrans that own account in the Biafra land. They started telling you that, you must not pay money to, this is a Fulani name. Ngozi is a Fulani woman. She sent the money to her Fulani people. The same thing that they did even under PM. Then they now move to Biafrans to create the account, which is dangerous. Any account, even the one that Fulani said, that not a name. This guy keep on reporting. Do you know the account and money that Biafra contributed that hanged in the account because of Sona Barawa, Ogengere, and this Anopama never. They tried all they could to make sure that they dealt with Biafrans, they seized the money, And then you now ask yourself, how do they manage to do those things? Who is now actually working with DSS? Who is now working for Nigerian government? Who is now working against Biafrans, against the movement? Do you understand? The same thing that DOS did, claim that PM is this and that, his agent, his agent. At the end of the day, they announce that they're going underground with the same Nigerian governors and Nigerian politicians. Please let me know what you think about it. God bless you and make sure you like the video. Comment. Subscribe to the channel if you have not. See you again. Bye bye for now.